Welcome to session number 36. This session is for BSc third semester Basic English, Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. In this session, we shall discuss the topic rivers. We shall discuss about rivers and their origins, and also we shall discuss the fact that rivers are being destroyed at an alarming rate. So the learning objective for this session is origin, importance, exploitation and conservation of rivers and life without rivers. The session outcome for this session is students get knowledge about the status of rivers, mining the sand, valley projects, dams, loads of toxic and sewage wastes from industrial and urban areas are the factors for damaging ecology. Now we shall discuss the depth of world's great river systems. So as you all know that the world's great river system are dying at an alarming rate. Now at an alarming rate means at a very fast pace the world's great rivers are dying. For example, the Nile, which is in Egypt, and the Yellow River, which is in China, are under such pressure that they often fail to deposit their water into ocean. So it is a well-known fact that so many river valley projects are because of many dams that are constructed in the course of the rivers are unable to deposit their water into oceans. And for example, the Nile and the Yellow River are unable to deposit their water into the ocean because of the various dams built across these rivers. They are interrupted in their course to the sea. So we human beings have interrupted the course of the rivers by constructing various dams and river valley projects into the course of the rivers. And most of the big rivers are disturbed by the big dams. So the one thing that we have to understand here is the world's great river systems are dying at a fast pace, and the reason behind this is the human intervention in the natural course of the rivers. We human beings, by building dams in the course of the rivers, are trying to check the flow of the rivers. Then the Nile and the Indus are greatly reduced by the time they reach the ocean. It means that the biggest rivers in the world, like the Nile and the Indus, the river Indus, they are greatly reduced by the time they reach the ocean because of the various construction activities that have been made in the course of these rivers. Then the rivers like Brahmaputra and China's Yellow River rarely reach the oceans. So this much construction work has taken place in the course of these rivers that these rivers find it difficult to reach the ocean. Then the author also tells us about the rivers such as Jordan and the Rio Grande on the US-Mexico border. These rivers are dry much of their length, means these are very long rivers, but because of human intervention or because of various construction activities carried out by human beings in the course of these rivers are dry for much of their length. In Britain also, majority of the chalk rivers and streams are running out of waters, means rivers do exist but there is no water in them. So this is the reality of the major rivers in the world. The state of the rivers of the world is a disaster in the making. So author describes the present state of the rivers as a disaster in the making. Disaster in the making means these river systems are in a very dangerous situation. We have hugely changed the natural order of the rivers worldwide. We means we human beings have hugely or greatly changed the natural order or the natural course of these rivers. Now, what are the consequences of interrupting river flows? So, the first consequence of the interrupting rivers is for the planet Earth, means the planet Earth has to face very grave consequences, very dire consequences, very serious consequences of interrupting these rivers. 1/5 of all freshwater fish species face extinction. So because of human intervention in river systems, water life also gets affected. The author has cited it with the help of an example that 1/5 of all the freshwater fish species face extinction. They are on the verge of extinction, on the verge of destruction because of the human intervention. So let us have a recap for this session. So world's great river systems are dying at an alarming rate, at a very fast pace. Then the rivers like the Nile from Egypt and Yellow River from China, they fail to deposit their water into the ocean. The reason is various construction activities that have been made in the course of these rivers. Then this has a very grave consequences on life on the planet Earth. Then the state of the rivers is described as a disaster in the making, means a very grave consequences on the life on planet Earth. Then first question, where is the Yellow River located? India, China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. The answer is China. Second question, which country has 160 chalk rivers? It is India, China, Mexico, Britain. The answer is Britain. Third question, choose the option that is closest to the meaning of the phrase or the expression in the bold. The world's great rivers are drying at an alarming rate. So you have to choose the correct meaning of alarming rate. It means very slow, very fast, at the constant pace, none of the above. The answer is very fast. Question number 4. How does the author describe the state of the rivers? The answer is a disaster in the making. Next question. What part of freshwater fish extinction due to disruption of river flow? 1/6, 1/5, 1/4, none of the above. The answer is 1/5. Next question. Who is mainly responsible for changing the natural order of rivers worldwide? It is human beings, natural disasters, animals, industries. The answer is human beings. Next question. Which two rivers are greatly reduced by the time they do reach the sea? The Nile and the Yellow River, the Jordan and Rio Grande, the Brahmaputra and Yellow River, the Nile and the Indus. The answer is the Nile and the Indus. Next question, which two rivers are on the US-Mexico border, the Jordan and the Rio Grande, the Nile and the Yellow River, the Nile and the Indus, none of the above. The answer is the Jordan and the Rio Grande. Choose the option that is closest to the meaning of the expression in the bold. Rivers are interrupted in the course to the sea. So you have to choose the correct meaning of interrupted. It means integrated, stopped in their flow, allowed to flow freely, none of the above. The answer is stopped in their flow. The last question, choose the correct option that is closest to the meaning of the expression in bold. The state of the rivers of the world is a disaster in the making, means an imminent danger, remote possibility, undecided state, none of the above. The answer is imminent danger. Thank you.